Zdravím všechny pařany a pařanky. Moje jméno je Kubanito a já vás vítám u pokračování na sérii Ratchet and Clank na PlayStation 4. Chtěl bych vám poděkovat za úspěch u předešlého dílu a já už to nebudu obkecávat, jenom jestli byste mohli dát like a odběr a napsat komentář. Já už to fakt nebudu obkecávat a jdeme na to. Takže minule jsme skončili na Weldinu v druhé fázi.
All right, hang on. I'll get us back to the garage.
Jo. Ratchet už má konečně Clanka.
Large gaps where child's play to
Teď by
Ratchet.
měl
All he
být
would need to get
Spider-Man
across is a
style.
trusty swing shot and a little bravado.
Konečně! Konečně mám tuhle zbraň. A
Ratchet basked in
napište
the
mi do
freedom of being able to
komentářů,
switch
jestli
weapons
byste chtěli,
whenever he felt like it.
abych vydával víc videí z PlayStation 4 nebo
Perhaps you
spíš
could
jako
shoot something to open the door.
počítače.
Impressive shooting.
Strašně moc zajímalo, ale konečně
Nice
máme
work.
tuhle zbraň. Jdeme dál. Dobře,
Blarg.
dobrý.
What are they doing here?
I have
Spider-Man.
information in my databanks that poses a threat to Chairman Dredd. He must have tracked my position to your planet, so he could get it back.
Jo.
Grim, listen to me. I want you to lock the garage doors and then head down into the shelter. I'll be there as soon as I can.
Tak ne, tak se rozhodli, že prostě po mně
I think
vystřelí
that's all of them.
a pak budou uhánět veselé dál. Spider-Man.
Is that a Blarg dropship?
Correct. Model X6Z to be exact. Also known as
Takže
the
zbraň,
dropship of death.
Great.
hlavní míč. Máme za dobrý.
Done, Ratchet.
Když mi totiž zbývaly jenom 3 náboje, tak jsem si vzal, ale dobrý. Teď pro heal a ještě pro náboje. Nejtyž náboj jsme vezmu ještě a ještě. Tak. A jdeme dál.
All the jobs Jack could have given us. We gotta look for some defect.
It's
Je
not
to
that bad. We got clean air, the warm heat of the sun.
tu
This is
zas.
nature. We never had any of this.
Bum. Jo. Jo. Myslím, že
The Blarg are all over Grim's
teda
garage.
padnou
Grim,
na
are
3.
you okay?
Spíš. Na 4.
Just
No,
hold tight, Grim.
nic.
I got this.
Tak se neměl to, tady bylo ještě jedno. Tak jo. Zbraň. A jo, teď se táhnu hasákem po
Incoming
hlavě.
dropship detected.
Tak. Střílet. No, jo. Jede. Co tady bude? O... Borboti.
I'm down in the shelter. Ratchet, this
Tak
place
je.
is a mess. Disassembled weapons and engine parts everywhere. Didn't you tell me you were gonna clean it up
Je
last
tu
week?
jej loď.
Yeah, sorry about that. Got held up on a project.
A beginner's
Oj.
guide to quantum burst engines.
Dobrý, zničeno.
Just throw that anywhere.
A
I
ty
have it bookmarked.
toho Warbota.
What's this? Fun with singularities and other
Stačí,
cataclysmic
když ho trochu
events.
postřelím. 4 životy.
All right, Grim. Coast is
Je
clear.
přebu
Can you
heal.
open up?
Ratchet, what in Sony's name
Potřebuju
just exploded?
nutně.
Sorry about that, Grim.
Nějaký
Listen,
heal, tak asi
get my
ne.
tools ready. I just found something in the desert I need to look at.
Tak pokračujeme.
Interesting. What kind of factory is this?
This? No, this is just a garage. Lived here since I was a kid. Come on, let's get you fixed up.
Tak. A jdeme konečně na další planetu. Jo, jinak. Loď havarovala, skvělý. Ale chtěl jsem říct, že jsem zjistil, že aby to nebylo přerušeno, tak ty videa musí mít 14 minut, jinak se sebe vypnu, jinak teď úkolem opravit loď. Kašlu na to. Dál, pojď. Pojď. Ty, taky. Už vybouchl, tak dobrý, ale... Dobrý, ale to možná chtěl jakože... Pokračovat v sídě, no?
Hey, that's a Cora Verloc statue. He's the youngest recruit ever to be selected for the Galactic Rangers.
Což, kde seš? Pojď. Hasaki. Hasaki. Pojď. Hej. Je tady sejde. Tak. Ale tak ten štve teda. Seš to tady? Dovolit snad nejvodu těsnej. A jde se dál. Musím to. Budu si ještě to. Tak, jo. He.
I don't want to set anything on point us, but just in case you have your messages, there are quite a few waiting for you.
Tak, musíš tak.
Oh dear, more of them.
That must be the mayor's ship.
Tak jo, musíme zachránit majora. Tak jo. Jdu je rozbít.
Mayor Buckwash will not last long without our help.
Tačí, udělám to. Já si nedost. No. Jo. Moc. Jich moc. Dobrý. Všichni. Tři, taky. Ještě. Tři moc. Tohodle to je mrtvej. A. Ne. Ještě tady. Ještě. Dáma. Dobrý.
Thank you. I thought we were done for sure. We are happy to be of assistance. Why is Drek trying to kill you?
It's my nephew, Skid McMarks.
Wait, Skid McMarks, the pro hoverboarder?
He sent me this infobot from Iridia, and the Blarg have been after me ever since.
Here, take a look.
Hey, Uncle Buckwash! Skid McMarks here. You know, your nephew. My agent and I are at the awesome grand opening of the McMarks Sports Shack here on Iridia, and boy, is this been a trip. I've gotten to meet all kinds of people. Fans, celebrities, my Gadgetron sponsors. I even got to sign autographs for these odd-looking creatures called the Blarg. I guess they're doing something here on Iridia. Wait, hold on a second. Hydro Harvester Super Illegal Water Displacement Apparatus. I don't think I was supposed to have this.
Stop him! He's got the schematic!
Help! Someone! Call my agent! Call my publicist! Actually, don't call either of those people. Call someone who cares about me! I don't want to die!
Sounds like Skid McMarx is in trouble. We gotta get to Iridia.
Agreed. But we must first repair our ship.
Right.
Yes.
Okay, let's see if we can find some help.
Attention, citizens. Your mayor is safe and sound. I was rescued by a furry hero and his robot friend. I will now resume regular office hours, which is every third Tuesday from 10 to 10:30.
Tak jo, teďko máme úkol opravit loď, ale já si myslím, že tenhle díl už byl dost dlouhý, takže byste si to mohli nechat na příště. Tohle bude pro tohle video všechno, pokud se vám líbilo, tak nezapomeňte nechat like a u dalšího videa čus.